Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing today? Happy weekend, happy holiday. So this video I'm doing twist out plus flat twist. So the product that I'm using is new to me. This is my first time using it. Is the cream of nature coil activator and the snot and the styling snot. So this is the first time I'm using those two products and I love the result. The result was bomb, guys. So I just wash my hair, so I'm just going to try to twist my hair with this product and see how it will look like on my hair. Hey girlfriend, if you are new to my channel, if you are seeing this face for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon beside it so that anytime I drop a new video, you will be the first to know. So those are the products that I'm going to use plus water. Yes, water is involved now. You know now. Water is involved always. So I'm just going to section my hair and start from the front. And I did a flat twist on the front. So at the back of my hair, I did a twist out, a two strand twist at the back of my hair. So this twist out is not perfect. I'm learning. I'm still learning how to do flat twist, but with time I will be perfect. So what do you guys think about this product? If you have used it before, let me know at the comment section below which one you like, which one you did not like. You like the coil activator or you like the snot? Just let me know. I kind of like the both, especially the coil activator was so moisturizing. My hair feels soft throughout the week. I don't even have any problem re-moisturizing my hair in the middle of the week because my hair was so moisturized, guys. You can imagine how this product work on my hair. But for the snot, I can see a little fallout on my, just like little fallout. Maybe it's the side that I was a little bit heavy handed with the product. So next time I'm going to use it, I will try not to be heavy handed with it. So that is the only problem I have with the stylist knot. But for the coil activator, it was perfect. There's nothing at all with it. There's nothing wrong with it. Even the snot, I don't think there's anything wrong with it. Maybe just because I'm just a little bit heavy handed. So that is it. So guys, just let me know what you think about this product, and please don't forget to like, comment and share this video if you can. So this is not is think, the consistency is think, even the coil activator is also think. They are both thing. You can see the way I was trying to bring it out. He said, no, I'm not coming out. I don't want to come out. I'm going back. I don't want to come out. I'm going. So that's just it, guys. So guys, I'm done with the flat twist. As you can see, I try now. I not try. I try. Make I praise myself. I beg. I try. So I'm just done with the twist out, both the flat twist and the twist out. What am I even saying? Twist out. The twist, please. I'm done with the twist and the flat twist. So this is just the only one left. So I want to do it on camera for you guys to see that I'm the one that do it myself. I did not borrow any hand to do it for me. Okay. Yes. So this is just the last one that I'm going to do, so for you guys to see that I do it myself. Do it yourself. So I'm just going to do the last one and call it a day till my hair dry. Then I will come back to unravel my twist. So guys, my hair is fully dry now. You can see my flat twist is dry. My twist is dry. They are both dry. So I'm just going to put some oil on my hand. This is the Ghanaian coconut oil. I'm just going to use it to rub my hand to help me to take down my twist. So I'm just going to take down my twist now. So guys, can you see that definition? This product is really nice, guys. I love it so much. The coil moisturizer, I love it so much. So can you see that definition that it gives to my hair? See that? I love this so much. This is so nice, guys. If you have not tried this product, I recommend it to everyone to try it out because it's a nice product. Look at that. Can you see this afro looking kinky Africa hair? Oh god, who said Africa hair is not beautiful? Who said that Foxy hair is not beautiful? Just look at this guy. Look at this afro that I did with this hair. So nice. Can you see? My hair was so soft, guys. You can imagine how soft my hair was. So guys, this is going to be the end of this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment and share if you can. If you have used this product before, let me know your thoughts at the comment section below. Let the discussion continue. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And please always come back to watch my new video. If you are my old subscriber, you are coming back to watch this video, thanks for coming. Thank you so much for coming. I really appreciate you all. If you like this afro looking hair, give me a thumbs up. So guys, I will see you all in my next video. Bye. Enjoy your weekend and your holiday. See you in my next video. Ciao ciao.